The Tramex CMEX Hygro kit is the complete solution for concrete moisture testing and is the perfect instrument for all flooring professionals. The Tramex Hygro probes in this kit are cutting-edge, accurate and reusable relative humidity probes for concrete moisture measurement. The CMEX Hygro kit includes the Tramex CMEX digital non-destructive meter for measuring moisture content instantly in concrete floors and floor screeds. A probe kit which includes insertion and extraction tools as well as the Hygro probe connector. A selection of Hygro spare sealing sleeves and caps. An infrared surface thermometer. A hammer electrode for measuring up to a depth of 38 millimeters. To use in the CMEX mode, simply switch on. Place the instrument on the concrete and press down against the surface being tested, and then read the results on a clear digital display. The ease and speed of the CMEX allows for many tests, conforming to the ASTM F2659 to be carried out over a large area in a short space of time. To use in relative humidity mode, simply plug in one of the Hygro probes with the Hygro adapter and immediately begin to take relative humidity temperature and dew point readings displayed simultaneously on a clear display. This can be used to assess environmental ambient conditions, and by using these measurements, combined with the included infrared thermometer, it is simple to identify condensation problems. To perform a subfloor in-situ type humidity test to international standards, including ASTM F2170, simply drill a hole in the concrete and remove any excess dust, being mindful of all the proper safety precautions as mentioned in the ASTM standard. Push the yellow sealing ring into the hole with the sleeve insertion tool. Now insert the Hygro probe into the sleeve and cover with the plastic cap. Leave for a standard test period. When taking readings, plug the adapter into the Hygro probe and instantly read the equilibrium RH, temperature and dew point readings on a clear display. Always refer to the most up-to-date standard for details of time of test period, health and safety, etc. When testing is complete, the Hygro probes can be removed with the Hygro extraction tool. To perform an RH hood test for international standards, including British Standard and ASTM F2420, simply position the Tramex Hygro hood on the floor slab, ensuring the surface is free of any dust. Remove double-sided preformed adhesive sealant tape around the edge, and then seal the insulated RH hood to the concrete surface. Insert the Hygro probe into the hood and cover with the dust cover. Allow the required time for relative humidity in the airspace under the RH hood to reach equilibrium with the humidity and temperature of the floor slab as per standard testing method. Readings can then be taken instantly from the Hygro probe by connecting it with the adapter to the CMEX. The Tramex CMEX2 Hygro kit with its clear backlit display and choice of different languages, is without a doubt the world's most advanced one-stop moisture and humidity kit for the flooring industry. But don't take our word for it. The Tramex Customer Satisfaction Guarantee takes the risk out of investing in the CME Expert System for flooring.